Hey guys, Spartan here from SpartanTrading.com for the daily recap of the day trading ideas, January 11th, 2023. Let's take a look at what we did today. So, a couple different things. We came into the day, we were leaning a little bit bearish on the market only if pivot would break. We're leaning bullish on the market if the pivot would hold, and it did. Got a nice little continuation push to the upside today. A couple things out the gate that were taken long on the equity side. Team long idea for 5 points there for 140s. UNH long idea from the 489 for about 5 points and change on that one. Tesla was long for about a point and then short, and then we actually ended up going back into it on a long idea for 4 points total on the long side. The AMV, Beth was on this one pretty early when it started to push to the upside there, guys, and that one ended up being about 4 points to the long side there, so pretty impressive on that one. The video long, 50 cents to the end of the day there. Wasn't, a huge move by any means, but, was a little bit of a pop, so that's not terrible. Bed Bath & Beyond, 2 calls. These were swung overnight, guys. We got into that idea yesterday. 20 cents, the 2 calls, 650, and 650%. It was a pretty good move there. FUTU, 48 calls swung overnight as well on that idea, 400%. Saba, 35 calls today for 250% on that idea there, not bad. Amazon as well, 95 calls, 213%. On that idea. UPST 15 calls for 173%, EMPH 350 calls for 138% on that idea. Then there's a couple other ones for 77%, 75%, like this Rivian 18 calls, things like that. A couple ones that failed today. I'm just looking on the option side. It was pretty straightforward because we kind of just sat on the hands and waited for the right setups. Trying to find something that failed. Not seeing anything intraday. Equity side, we had a couple that failed, which was HKD on the long side this morning, as well as there was one more. This BIOL, I believe it was, that failed. Small cap name to push to the upside. So a couple fails there. SPX, we had a couple 30-40% scalps on that. Nothing too major. And that's pretty much it, guys. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Should be an interesting day. CPI data coming out tomorrow. So market's anticipating a pretty big move. We'll see whether or not that actually does occur. I think, we're in for probably a way bigger move on the small cap, the beaten down tech, high PE names. I think those are what's going to get the biggest push if inflation comes in lower. Obviously, rates will come down a little bit. Those names should get a nice little move off the lows. So should be a really busy day. I'm expecting some nice range and some great trading opportunities. So we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, SpartanTrading.com. You can sign up there. Join us tomorrow. Should be a busy one. And that's about it. Thanks everybody for watching. Have a good one.